Hello my friends, I would like to show you today my nice present for myself, and this is just order from Fragrance X, which I have ordered for many years now, and just want to share with you what I get, and let's tell you about this site, Fragrance X site, just a little bit. And boxes usually packed really well, and as a many fragrances you can you like you usually can't buy in the store, and it's really easy to find, and they also have really rare perfumes on this side, and big availability for your many choices. And as I see, I ordered two perfumes. These are perfume from Agent Provocateur, and this was released from 2018, and it's a new one, and I would like to show you after when I open it and show you, because I ordered two actually perfumes of these Agent Provocateur, and it's Lace Noir and Blue Silk. It's two new perfumes from this year, and as you see, it's nothing damages, it's everything good, and it's good condition come to me. And also another perfume, it's a really unique perfume. It's a Cinema from Yves Saint Laurent. It's a limited edition perfume, which is I really wanted, because I have one. I have first one, and also this one is really hard to find, and Fragrance X, I found it, and it's really nice, and happy I have it. And I will make another video for you and tell you what I think about this new one. And I just show you what those guys put inside the box. It's like appreciation card, and it's 50% off, 5% off for extra order. I should tell you, you can really trust these nice sites, and have also discounts. They what else? Okay, this is just the nail polish, and that's it. And the channel is also, it's honestly, it's enough, especially in this Christmas time. They try to pack and ship really fast, and they do really well. If you never tried and you love perfumes, you can try, and then text me on my in the down of my video. I would appreciate your feedback, and also tell me, what do you think? Would you like to see more reviews, more about perfumes, what I think, my viewing of my collection. I have two videos in English already, and if you will like to see more videos, please tell me about this, and I would make more. And happy new year to you, and Merry Christmas all of you. Bye bye. Everything should be nice, and everybody have to be happy. Okay, bye bye.